Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Banyan Academy। Moodle ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज के आज के वीडियो में हम ये सीखेंगे कि कैसे क्विज क्रिएट किया जाता है एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। ये क्यों ज़रूरी है? क्योंकि जब आप ऑनलाइन क्विज लेते हैं तो उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आप स्टूडेंट्स को ऑफर कर सकते हैं। सो what are the categories of those questions that we are going to discuss today, and based on those categories in the upcoming video tutorials we will discuss कि कैसे हम quiz क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आप यहाँ मेरा डैशबोर्ड देख रहे हैं। मैं एक कोर्स में गया हूँ, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स। नाउ यू नीड टू गो टू द सेटिंग्स, जो कि आपके राइट टॉप पे होता है, एंड व्हील से आपको होता है उसके ड्रॉप डाउन में यू कैन गो टू मोर। ओके, नाउ वन थिंग वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इज कि जब आपको क्विज क्रिएट करना है उसके लिए आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं। या तो आप एट द टाइम ऑफ क्विज क्रिएशन एक एक करके आप अपने क्वेश्चंस को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एंड सेकेंड वे इज कि आप एक क्वेश्चन बैंक क्रिएट करके रखें। ओके, सो ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपने अगर अपने कोर्स में 5 यूनिट पढ़ाया या 10 चैप्टर्स पढ़ाए। ओके, सो लाइकवाइज आप क्या कर सकते हैं, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स एंड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट यूनिट्स आप अपने क्वेश्चंस क्रिएट करके एक क्वेश्चन बैंक बना सकते हैं। ओके, सो उससे क्या होगा कि वंस क्वेश्चन बैंक इज रेडी विथ यू, जब आपको क्विज क्रिएट करना है तो आप वहाँ पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एरियाज से आप क्वेश्चंस रैंडमली चूज करके एंड यू कैन क्रिएट द क्विज ऑफ दैट मच मार्क्स। तो हम वो देखेंगे। पहले हम बात करते हैं कि क्वेश्चन बैंक कैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है। ओके, सो उसके लिए आप क्वेश्चन बैंक में जाएंगे। ओके, एंड इफ यू गो टू दिस पर्टिकुलर page of question bank you can see there are certain tabs. What are those tabs? Like questions, categories. So questions tab जो होता है उसमें आपको जब भी आप नया क्वेश्चन क्रिएट करते हैं तो वो क्वेश्चंस आपको आप देख सकते हैं। ओके, जैसे कि अगर यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि डिफॉल्ट फॉर एस डब्ल्यू ई कैटेगरी है। ओके, सो व्हाट आर दोज कैटेगरीज? सो यू कैन क्रिएट योर कैटेगरीज। लाइक हो सकता है जैसे हमने बनाया है यहाँ पे कि भाई कोई क्विज 3 हम क्रिएट लेने वाले हैं, तो उसके लिए हमने क्विज 3 में 75 क्वेश्चंस ऐड कर दिए। सो एक क्विज हमने लिया है जिसमें हम कैटेगरी वीबी के नाम से हमने बनाया है, और उसमें जो है 15 क्वेश्चंस ऐड कर दिए। एक राउंड 2 क्विज हमने लिया जिसमें हमने 14 क्वेश्चंस ऐड किए। जो ब्रैकेट में आप देख रहे हैं दोज आर द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट आर देयर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी। मिड टर्म का पेपर है हमने लिया है और उसमें हमने 9 क्वेश्चंस ऐड किए हैं। सो likewise you can also create your new category. Fine. So I can create a new category like quiz 2 would be my new category. Fine. And I can give an info of this particular category like questions for quiz 2. Okay. And then I can click on add category. आप देख सकते हैं कि जब मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड किया है तो क्विज 2 इज अ सब कैटेगरी ऑफ डिफॉल्ट फॉर एस डब्ल्यू ई। आप देख सकते हैं सब कैटेगरी है, एंड देर आर नो क्वेश्चंस करेंटली। तो यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में आपको 0 मेंशन्ड है। फाइन। अगर आप इसको पेरेंट कैटेगरी बनाना चाहते हैं, आप सब कैटेगरी नहीं रखना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या है, ये जो आप लेफ्ट एरो देख रहे हैं, आप इसको क्लिक जब करते हैं तो क्विज 2 विल गो टू द टॉप लेवल। फाइन। सो क्विज 2 आप यहाँ पे एक कैटेगरी देख सकते हैं। अब अगर आपको कैटेगरी वाइज क्वेश्चंस देखने हैं तो उसके लिए क्या है, आप क्वेश्चंस टैब पे जाइए एंड देन यू कैन सेलेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी। लाइक लेट अस सपोज आई वांट टू सेलेक्ट मिड टर्म, so you can see the 9 questions that were created for midterm. Okay, similarly if I select, let us suppose quiz 3, so you can see that there are 75 number of questions. Okay, all the questions will be are mentioned over here. Okay, so this is how the category is formed. Now we will talk about how to import and export the questions in our another tutorial. First of all, let's talk about how you can what kind of questions you can create using a particular category. Okay, now for that let us go into our quiz 2. Fine. So you can see that here is an option called create a new question. Okay, so what you can do is you can just click on this create a new question. जब आपके पास create a new question option आता है तो आप देख सकते हैं कि आपके पास कितने टाइप के क्वेश्चंस अवेलेबल हैं. Multiple choice question, true false question, matching question, short answer question, numerical question, essay question, calculated ones. Okay, you want some simple calculations, drag and drop into text kind of questions. Fine. So a lot of questions are available. Okay. So like if you want to go for option based answers wherein you are giving a question और आपको four or three or two different options are given and one option they need to choose. So for that multiple choice question is given over here. अगर आपको ट्रू फॉल्स काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन क्रिएट करना है जिसमें आपने कोई एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है एंड you have two options true and false and they need to click on that. So for that true false kind of questions are there. Now अगर आपने let us suppose दो सेट बनाया है एंड आप मैचिंग टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको मैचिंग पे क्लिक करना होगा. शॉर्ट आंसर एंड ऐसे टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इसमें क्या है वर्ड लिमिट आपको गिवन होता है एंड यू हैव टू गिव योर लिमिटेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स. ठीक है तो उससे क्या होगा कि स्टूडेंट्स उतने वर्ड लिमिट में ही आपको आंसर लिख के देंगे. एंड नाउ देर आर two different ways in which the students can give their answers. One way is that they will write their answers on Moodle itself and then save it. And जो दूसरा वे होता है उसमें the students can write their answers and upload their text on Moodle. Okay, so that option is given. So for uploading there are different of ways available. There are different file types available. So we will see what are those file types in the coming tutorials. Okay. Now, if you want some numerical to be given to the students, so in that case, numerical type of question is provided on Moodle. And definitely, if some drag and drop into the text kind of question, markers, some image that you want to be dragged and dropped on. Okay, so such kind of different types of questions are available over here. Okay, so let us suppose if I want to create a multiple choice question, so I have to click over here and then click on add. Now, when I click add, I will be taken to another page. यहाँ पे आपके पास दो फील्ड बहुत कॉमन होते हैं. One field is the question name and second is the question text. And what the red exclamation mark says that you have to write the question name and question text necessarily, compulsorily. Okay. So I have set of questions. So let us suppose if I want to create a question, what can I do is I can write the question name as let us suppose one and I can create a question saying that what is the day today. So this is the question. Now I have different formatting options for that question available. Like uh, I can change the text. I can make it bold. Fine. I can make it the text italic. I can have some bulleted points. Okay, some numbered points available. Okay, similarly outdent, indent. अच्छा आप अगर यहाँ पे कोई लिंक देना चाहते हैं और else you want to unlink that particular page so you can also do that. Similarly if you want to insert or edit some image in your question you can do that. So for insert if you will click over here they will ask you to browse the repository. Okay, and if you can insert from your repository like for instance let us say that I have some server file available. Okay, so you can see that there are no files available over now, so I can go to the upload, choose a particular file. Let us suppose uh, I want and choose this particular file, open it. I can give the name as question image. Okay, and then I click on upload this file. You can see that before the upload is done this file is shown to me. Okay, and I can save this image. but before saving the image I have to give the description of this image. So I can write image for the question, something like that. Okay, it depends upon you. And then when I click on the save image, you can see that this particular question is having some image file. So if you want to insert some image file, so you can do that. Okay, similarly you can insert or edit any video or audio if possible. If you want to record some audio with the question, that you can do. If you want to record some video, that you can do. If you want to manage some files related to this question, then you can do that. Similarly, you can do a lot of activities over here. One thing that I would like to mention over here is the advanced button. Okay, so if you will click on the advanced button, this arrow that is going downwards, if you will click over there, there are certain advanced buttons like underline. If you want to strike that particular word, then subscript, superscript. Okay, the alignment of the text. Then if you want to use the equation editor, so you can click over here and you can insert your equation. So Moodle जो यूज करता है वो टेक एडिटर का यूज करता है इक्वेशन के लिए. सो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे आपको ऑपरेटर्स, एरोज, ग्रीक सिंबल्स, एडवांस्ड सम equations are available. Okay, so I can just write, let us suppose x to the power square. Okay, so आप देख सकते हैं जब मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है तो x स्क्वायर यहाँ पे एडिट होके यहाँ पे आपके पास इक्वेशन प्रीव्यू में है. नाउ आई कैन सेव माय इक्वेशन. आप देख सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज द डे टुडे. सो इट इज after that there is an equation x square. Okay, variable is there in the question itself. Okay, similarly you can insert some characters. So insertion for inserting those characters, you can click on this particular icon and आप देख सकते हैं there are a lot of characters available on Moodle. Okay, so if I want to, let us suppose insert pi, so I will just click on pi and you can see that pi is available now as part of my question. Okay, now similarly you can have some table in the question. So you can give the name of the table, you can insert that particular table. Okay, similarly you can have you can clear your formatting, you can do undo. Okay, undo, redo your options. Now what I would like to tell you further is we have created our question. Now there are certain configurations that we need to do. First thing is that you must compulsorily mention the default mark for this particular question. So currently I am setting it as 1. I can also give this mark as 2 mark. Okay, and then if some general feedback you want to be shown to the students once the student attempts this particular question, so you can give that particular feedback, or by default also the Moodle gives you, if even if you will not give this feedback. Okay, now after that important part is the whether you want one or multiple answers. So herein if you choose one answer only, so it will allow the students to choose one out of 4 or 5 options that are given. अगर आप multiple answers allowed पे click करते हैं तो क्या होगा कि students one or more than one answers पे click करके they can actually um, answer that particular question. Okay, so for the time being I am just um, giving one answer only as the option. Now this check button is very important. Shuffle the choices. Now what happens that during the quiz, you want the choices to be shuffled for each and every question. So I have given 4 choices. Now those choices will be shown, like A will be shown as B, or B will be shown as A. Okay, so it will, those choices will be shuffled. Those answers will be shuffled to each and every questions. Okay, randomly it will be shuffled. Now, do you want to number the choices? So there are different options of numbering the choices also. Like if you want to number like A, B, C, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, in Roman, in Arabic forms. And if you want no numbering, so I can just give as no numbering over here. Okay, and then uh, no numbering means that only the options will be shown. A, B, C, D will not be shown in front of the options. Okay. After that, you can see here, do you want to show standard instructions, yes or no, based on what are the whatever kind of quiz you are preparing, and instructions if you want to give or not, you can specify. Now, most important part comes, that is your the choices. So you can give your choices over here, like today is Wednesday. Okay. Similarly, you can give the grade also. Okay. So what is the grade? So if you give none means no marks is associated with this answer. If you give 100% means this is the correct answer. And now if you want to give negative marking also for your questions, so उसके लिए क्या है, आप जो भी percentage of negative marking आप देना चाहते हैं, you can just select from here. Okay, if you want to deduce 25% of marks if this is the wrong answer, so in that case you can give that particular option. So for the time being, I'm just uh, uh, I'm just keeping the grade as none for Wednesday, and I'm going to choose another option. Okay, and keep it none. The third option, okay, and give it to 100% because this is today's day. This is the correct answer. So if somebody chooses that particular answer, 100% marks will be allotted. And then Saturday, none will be given. If you want to go for choice 5, it's fine. Otherwise, you can submit. Also, there are more choices that is possible for you. So you can just click on this particular button and you can open those 3 more choices. Okay, so you can see that now 8 choices are possible. So you can increase your number of choices based on your question and its respective answers. Okay, so I am saving the changes. So I will click on save changes. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि क्विज 2 में मेरे पास एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो चुका है. सो इफ एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू चेंज द सेटिंग्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, सो मैं क्या करूंगा कि मैं एडिट में क्लिक करके एडिट क्वेश्चन पे जब क्लिक करूंगा, सो आप देख सकते हैं मैं फिर अगेन आई हैव कम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन एंड आई कैन edit whatever I want. Okay, so likewise you can work with your questions by creating that particular question. Okay. अच्छा, इसके बाद important part is that once your question is created, okay, you want to preview that particular question. Okay, so what you can do is आप यहाँ पे edit पे click करेंगे and you can click the preview option. तो नए पेज में what this particular question looks like, तो आप देख सकते हैं what is the day today, pi properly inserted है, x square properly inserted है, this image is shown, and then it is giving you the answer. So I will just click on Friday, let us suppose, and then submit and finish. So I can see the feedback given to me that your answer is correct, and the correct answer is given to me. I can just click on close preview to uh, close it. Okay, so this is how the question is created. Now there is another option that I would like to tell you, that is, you see, there is a concept called duplicate. If you will just click on this option, duplicate, so what will happen? A second copy of the same question will be given to you. So you can edit and make it as your second, third, fourth, or different questions. If you want to edit in that particular question and create a new question, so in that case, you can just duplicate it. Okay, fine. So this is how the questions are created. Okay, so इस वीडियो में हमने क्या सीखा, डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस क्या होते हैं, एंड how to create a multiple choice question. Okay, so in coming videos we will see how to create quiz, how to create different uh, types of questions. Okay, and how to evaluate quiz and assignments, that we will see. So till then, thank you very much, have a nice day.